In fact, I plan to write a paper about it kasi sobrang komplikadong yung question na yan. Did he act out of an obligation or did he just voluntarily do it? Before you answer that question, meron pa bang obligasyon ang Pilipinas sa ICC? Ang sagot kasi dyan na short is meron pa, because according to the ICC itself and the Philippine Supreme Court, in the case of Pangilinan versus Cayetano, we have still residual obligations to cooperate with respect to the ongoing investigation. So, may duty tayo to cooperate. Ang tanong is, does a duty to cooperate in the investigation also mean a duty to cooperate in the arrest and sending of that person to the ICC? Yun yung big question mark. And in fact, the President Marcos, ang sinasabi niyang basis is not the Rome Statute. Ang sinasabi niyang basis is because we need to cooperate with the Interpol. Di ba? Galing sa Interpol. Yung direct, kumbaga yung request nila. So sa Interpol sila nag-cooperate. So ang tanong, is it out of an obligation? It's a big question. Nagde-debate pa rin kami ng mga kausap ko na other lawyers about it kasi at this stage, I cannot say that with certainty that we have an obligation or nor do we not have an obligation.